What are you waiting for? Looking to buy or sell a home? Call your favorite C21 agent today. He got you the face right in front of my nose.
Who's doing it? This guy?
Come on, with Jeff, this
Is that guy doing it? Are you doing it?
I thought I was just throwing
Are you doing it?
Well, then it wouldn't make sense.
What is happening right now?
When I get wet, then when I get wet, you can call from the cozy. I want that was hot. All right, so is it okay? One's hot, one's cold. Are we doing this or what?
Yeah. Get it.
I'm gonna drop it and hit you. And I'll be like, look at this. Okay, can you blink stuff out? Like,
So on 3, 2, 1.
What are you waiting for? Looking to buy or sell a home? Call your favorite C21 agent today.
he got you the face right in
front of my nose.
I hit you in the chest over your eye, dude.
It's been waterboarded.
You kept your composure. I like
You're right in the grill, dude.
How did you
Stella,
not
quit
laugh?
laughing. Look at your kids laughing. Come here. Take two.